Hey guys, got some exciting stuff to show you today. Got some new stuff up for sale. Been working hard on our Cherokees, on our Jeeps. Our orange TJ is still for sale, and we have this amazing, incredible, low mileage, completely rust-free, garage kept. She's a beauty. 06 TJ Rubicon. It does not get any better than that. We have some really minor work to do on this. It'll be up for sale sometime in the next couple of weeks, so look forward to that. But that's not what I wanted to show you today. Let's check it out. Finally got our white Cherokee XJ ready. We've been working on this one for a little while. Just got done with paint and body, and she turned out beautiful, I think. It's a 2001 Jeep Cherokee Classic XJ, of course, but this is the classic trim in stone white. It's got a tow package on it. It's factory tow package. So some of the differences between the Classic versus the Sport is you get the upgraded 16-inch wheels, which is kind of nice. I really like these wheels. I think they pop really well. You also get body matching door molding. You get upgraded seats, that kind of stuff. Obviously it's a inline 6. All of our Cherokees are 242, 4.0 liter, and made it to an automatic AW4 transmission, and it is 4x4, so it's a 231 command track transfer case. But the lighting, it's kind of getting dark out here, but she cleaned up just incredible. Carpets are great. This car has no rust on it. It was sold new in California. Spent a while there. So we were sold new, and it actually came to us from Oklahoma, so it come out of Oklahoma. It's got clean history, clean Carfax. Tires are good on it. Really, the only thing we didn't touch on this one, engine's good, there's no leaks, transmission fluids have all been changed, but we did leave the suspension alone on this, so it's riding on factory suspension. I think this Jeep would absolutely benefit from a high quality small lift, like a 2-inch lift on it. It would look really, really, really good. That's my favorite kind of ride. We chose to leave this one alone, that way the customer could do what they wanted to with it. We can put lifts on them by request. We usually sell them stock though, just to give whoever takes it a clean slate. It's got fairly dark window tinting, but it is legal. Look at this paint job. She looks brand new. Let me start it up for you so you can hear it. There is 125,000 miles on this Cherokee. So, and there was no body damage or wrecks or anything on this car when it came in. It's just the paint was, it was just the clear coat was peeling off, and it just didn't look very good. We really wanted to polish them up. She runs great. Everything on this car works. Even the factory original stereo, all 4 speakers work. There's nothing on this car that doesn't work. It's had key fob, factory keyless entry on it. Yeah, she just runs and drives great. Steering wheel's not too bad. This cover came with it on the vehicle. We took it off, checked out the steering wheel. It's kind of worn. Fairly, it's not a big deal though, so I put it back on, but there's some wear and tear right here. Nothing major, but let's listen to it. AC blows super cold, heater works great. This would make a great driver for somebody, like I said, 125,000 miles, so high enough to where you're not afraid to drive it, but low enough to where it's got plenty of life left in it. Tires are an all-terrain type tire. They're Hankooks actually. They're in great shape. As you can see, she sounds great. No knocks, no rattles. She runs cool, oil pressure's good. I think that about covers it on this Cherokee. It's kind of dark out here, it's getting dark, so Sorry if the interior shots aren't great. You can check our website, johnstonmotorsales.com, for more information on this vehicle, as well as a ton of pictures. If you need additional pictures, feel free to contact me or anybody that works up here. You can reach us at 940-808-2382. Sorry about that beeping, that's kind of annoying. Or you can email us at johnstonmotors54@gmail.com. But yeah, give us a shout if you want additional information on this car, additional pictures, though the ad will be up probably tomorrow with a ton of pictures of the interior, undercarriage, exterior, engine bay, you name it. Once again, check us out anytime, johnstonmotorsales.com. Thank y'all, and have a wonderful day.